If Dick Tracy and Gordon Gekko had a love child, well, they'd probably wear that watch right there. Fidelity Investments unveiled what they are calling the first ever investing app for wearables. And Quentin Fottrell reports on the MoneyBeat show about this. Does this, like, zap a little electrode into my nerves if my stock has gone up or down? Well, what's the point of this here?
It's a real-time stock quote, so that's the first thing. They had a similar thing last year with Google, the Google Glass, but that was really just an update at the end of the day. So this is really, it keeps you on the go. If you're having a business lunch, you don't want to take out your phone, you can take a quick furtive look at your watch. But they do have, it's very early stages, and they do have plans, they say, that with all of this new health technology where it monitors your stress levels, and there's still a lot of watches out there that will measure your heart rate and your stress levels when you're running. They say they could send you a don't trade alert if you're feeling stressful, because this might not be the time to sell. Of course, if you're feeling stressful, that may be the time to sell for other reasons. So they're experimenting.
Is this something that they're just putting out there? They expect it to go widely? It's kind of a beta thing. Are they selling it? Is it free? What are the details?
It's free, and it's for the Pebble smartwatch primarily. So, and they say you can link it with
that's an Android watch?
Yeah, so right? you can. It does Android and iOS, but this particular Pebble app you can with Fidelity you can link to your Android app. So that's really Android at the moment, but potentially it will be much more widely available as well. And Pebble watches are about $150 for the plastic, and then they have this Pebble steel that's about $250, and the app itself is free.
Does that watch does it simply tell time?
It has a lot of.
Does it have a clock app?
There is a school of thought that says this wearable smartwatch is one step too far, especially when it's telling you things that you might need to check on your phone. So it doesn't have touchscreen, but it does contain a lot of apps, and it can give you Twitter notifications and stuff like that. And
is this separate from the Fidelity Google Glass thing that you were just talking about? Are these things tied in? Will you be able to, look out your glasses and your watch at the same time? Will they sync up somehow?
Maybe in the future. It might be
becoming a stock trading cyborg, Quentin?
You really could be. So this is the exciting part. They're separate, but this is part of Fidelity Labs, and it's a experimental. They really are looking for the newest technology possible, and they're trying to experiment and then get feedback from their customers and what they want. And so they can be, ideally, so they can be ahead of the curve.
Right. All right. You are always ahead of the curve, my friend.
Thanks.
Thanks for coming on.